Alright, so this is the so-called top-down furler. Works on this furler device here. So supposedly I can furl this and unfurl it. I've got it on a little bit of a bowsprit to give it some clearance from. It's a bit of a mess up there. But, you know, I should be able to furl it. It's very difficult to get it to actually furl. Oh, well, of course it's going to furl right now, isn't it? Keep pulling. Turns this torsion rope, which sort of starts to turn the top. It seems to be caught on something. This head sail. If I release this sheet, maybe that'll help. There we go. Oh, what's happened? I don't know, it wants to start spooling around here for some reason. Oh, what a mess. Oh, so much tension, isn't it? It's not ideal, this so-called top-down furler. It's a bit of a lark, really. Good gravy. It's better off with a chute. All right. My chutes are probably going to get wrapped around that mother pus bucket. So if I pull, torsion rope is sort of working. There we go. Oh, for goodness sakes. Most of the time it doesn't work. Naturally that worked because I'm recording it. I just don't think that's out there far enough on this. No, I guess that's all the way out. I'm gonna need a longer bowsprit or a tighter luff. That's the standard luff. I think I have to shorten that because it's tight on and up there. So I should be able to pull a sheet. So I'll pull the sheet. And out comes the so-called top-down furler. It's almost came out. Maybe I heat it up a bit. A little bit of wind to the situation. No, still not really. Sometimes it starts furling around itself the opposite way, which is what it's done right now, which is really annoying. So I don't know how to get that to undo that. There we go. Okay, that's how. It's a bit of an art to get the top-down furler to work. The tension on the so-called torsion rope has to be just right. You know, if it's not right, then double furls on itself and whatnot.